Hello and welcome to Face to Face at SMBVC. We have Dr. Harish Nagar, HOD Department of Mathematics from Meva University with us. Welcome, sir. Sir, we just came to know that the Department of Mathematics is going to organize an international conference on some topic of mathematics. Please elaborate that.
Yeah. In this university, we have conducted near about 2 or 3 conferences. But in mathematics department, we conduct first national conference. The theme of the conference is the recent trends in mathematics and its application, in which the number of participants from all over the India participate in this conference, and they present their work or recent work. What are the applications recently we introduced in engineering as well as in social services or social life in related to mathematics, so that the awareness regarding the mathematics is developed in the society, because of the new generation very much afraid about the mathematics teaching or as well as the mathematics learning. So we can motivate them so that the number of the students or number of research scholars are involved in field of mathematics.
So, sir, who all can participate in this? Is it restricted to the professors, the lecturers who are associated with the field of mathematics, or the students who are in engineering or pursuing MSc or MCA, something like that? They can also participate in this conference.
Basically, the mathematicians are participate in this conference, but we are open all the fields related to engineering as well as the professional courses as well as the traditional courses, because of the theme is recent trends in
mathematics
or its application.
Okay, so this is basically the motive of organizing this conference. Okay, fine. So my next question is, suppose a candidate is presenting his paper or he is presenting his work, research in this conference. So what benefit is he having? In which journal or forum are these papers going to be published further?
If the work is based on the quality based work, or according to the use of the work, if the work is useful, then we can publish all the work in national research journal as well as in international research journal. If the work is not up to the mark, so just they want to present here, and after presenting the paper, the conclusion comes out through the judges, in which we call number of outsiders from this university, and all these are the well reputed institution professors.
Okay, sir, my question is exactly this. Is Mewar University has its own journal for publishing the research papers?
We have just recently start a journal, but if the paper is up to the mark, then we can publish the paper in that particular paper.
Okay. So my next question to you is, who are the chief speakers in this conference?
Mostly the chief speakers are come from the well-reputed university. One of them, Professor M.A. Pathan, he is from Aligarh Muslim University. One of them is Professor P.K. Banerjee, he is from MLSU. And the third one is come from the Jaipur University, Rajasthan University. He is Professor Rajwani.
Okay, sir. You are also a research scholar. You have published many papers.
Yeah.
You are a doctor. You are a PhD doctor also. So, are you also going to present some paper, or some of your department faculty is going to present some paper in this conference?
Yeah. Almost all faculty members in our department present their research work, as well as my 5 students present research work. There is a recent work in this conference.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable time with us. Hope this conference will be a great success. Thank you so much, sir.